I'm Dr. Pranati. I'm coming from Sun City, Barlaguda, Hyderabad. I have been blessed by this ministry immensely. I have been following Dr. PJ Stephen Ball, brother, since 2008. So I have been following his messages online, and I have been immensely blessed through that. And even during COVID, I have been attending since the start of the online morning and evening worship that have been going on. I have been attending them, and I have been blessed in many ways. And I may not be able to recount each and every blessing I have received, but now I'm going to tell my testimony that how I have been blessed. I also attend every 3 days fasting prayers every month, and last September I went to doctor for a small ailment, and then they said that I had to undergo a biopsy, and I was very scared, and I didn't know what to do. Then this breakthrough prayers were being conducted by Sister Shiloh Paul, and I thought I will attend them, and I got an opportunity to go to Kompally GPS, and then I also had an opportunity to be prayed by Sister Shaila Paul, and she prayed over me, and I got all the reports normal, and there was nothing in my biopsy report. And it was I was really shocked, because before that there was preliminary reports came, and then they said it can be something precancerous, and all the reports were showing it was precancerous stage, or it is the early cancer stage. But when the final reports came, all the reports were clear. And during that prayer meeting, sister was mentioning about having multiple blessings. But I was not concentrating on that word. But after I attended those prayers, and when I went back, my seniors called me, and then they said they want to promote me. I didn't even ask for any promotion, but they came to me, and then they said they wanted to give me a promotion, and then they gave me a promotion, and they promoted me to a scientist position, which is almost 5 times my salary, which was previously there, and now I have been blessed with that position. And thank you for all the praise. I first thank God for what He has done in my life, and this blessing, this ministry has been a blessing, and we have been the family members of this ministry. Thank you so much.